Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use SpareBank's One mobile app for scanning and paying bills. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to scan and pay bills in SpareBank One mobile app, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up the SpareBank One mobile's app. Then once you're inside there, tap on get started and now log your bank ID or bank ID password plus one-time code. Then once logged in, on your home screen what you need to do is tap on the pay option on the bottom of your screen. Then once you tap on that pay option, what you need to do is look for scan invoice option and then tap on it and your phone camera will turn on. Then next is to hold the bill in front of the camera and make sure these parts are visible like the ID number, account number, due date, and the app will automatically read the information. You don't need to press anything. The next is to check the details. The app fills everything in automatically. Correct ID, correct amount and correct account number and correct due date. You just confirm that the information looks right. The next is to choose the account you want to pay from. If you have more than one bank account, tap from account and choose which you want to use. Then once everything looks correct, simply tap on the pay option and you must confirm the payment for security by using your bank ID app or bank ID password plus one-time code. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.